Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out a very special Valentine's Day breakfast recipe, red heart shaped pancakes. This is very simple and a very easy recipe. You can surprise your Valentine with this delicious breakfast. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Crack in 1 egg to a mixing bowl. Beat it for a few seconds. Then to this add quarter cup of sugar, a pinch of salt, 1.5 tablespoon of oil and a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Give all the ingredients a good mix. Then to this add 1 cup of Maida or all-purpose flour and a teaspoon of baking powder. Mix it well. Then add half cup of milk and mix well. Make sure the batter is lump free. Now we have a very smooth batter. Our pancake batter is ready. You can use it as such or add half teaspoon of red food color and then use it to give an extra touch. The food color is totally optional. Mix it well and make sure the color is well spread. Now it's all ready, so let's go and make the pancakes. Heat a pan and spread some butter on it. Then place a heart-shaped cookie cutter like this. Fill the batter up to half. Let this cook for 2 minutes in medium flame. After 2 minutes, flip it to the other side and let this again cook for 2 minutes in medium flame. After 2 minutes, the pancakes are well cooked and ready, so let's now remove them. Give it a few seconds of rest time and then demold from the cookie cutter. Now our delicious red heart shaped pancakes are ready. Serve it hot with some honey and enjoy it with your Valentine. Very easy, delicious and a special recipe. So do try this red heart shaped pancakes recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you liked this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.